Hello, and welcome to Cat Science Club. Today, we'd like to spend a little time showing you how to make a color changing candle. This is a simple color changing light that is great for the kids and adults. It looks beautiful in a dimly lit room and makes a pretty cool nightlight. The materials you're going to need are a glue gun, 3-volt battery, film canister, 5mm red, green, blue LED, 2 magnets, one with a hole in it, and the other magnet must be small enough to fit inside the lid of the film canister. Now, take a look at your LED. Take your LED and bend the longer leg, that's the positive leg, at a 90-degree angle. Insert the short leg, that's the negative leg, through the hole of the magnet. Bend the short leg up and around the magnet as shown. Add the battery, negative side facing the magnet, and LED. Bend the longer leg around the outside of the battery as shown. Now, remove the battery and set to the side for safekeeping. Hot glue around the bulb of the LED. Be careful not to burn your fingers. Take the second magnet and check the polarity. We do not want the magnets to repel each other when we try to connect them. Glue the magnet without the hole in it into the film canister lid, making sure that the two will attract each other. Now it's time to put it all together. Once the glue is totally dry, put the LED, magnet, battery onto the film canister lid. Adjust the wire as needed to allow the light to turn on. Put the film canister over the light and snap it into place. It's simple and easy and very cool looking.